Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss regarding Linux file system. We will be discussing basic commands related to Linux file system with some of their useful options. The main important difference between Linux and other operating system is that other operating system employ the concept of drive letters, that is, assigning alphabetical identifiers to storage volumes. Like C drive, E drive, which we can see in Windows operating system. File system in these kind of operating system is split into a series of different trees, one for each drive. Whereas Linux does not employ the concept of drive letters. In Linux operating system, the files are arranged in a hierarchical directory structure, which means elements are organized in a tree-like pattern. Here we can find a single tree, directory, or folders, as sometimes called, in other operating systems, may contain files in other subdirectories. All the files, ordinary, special, or directory, are contained in directories. The tree-like pattern of the directory structure has a single parent node, and all other directories are contained below it. As seen in Linux file system structure, there is a single node called as root or slash. This is the first directory in the tree. It is called the root directory. As we can see, the root directory contains files in subdirectories. And these subdirectories again contain more files in subdirectories, and it goes on. The directory in which we are currently working is called as current working directory. And when we log on to a Linux system, there is working directory set for the user, which is called as home directory. This is where we put our files. Generally, on most systems, home directory will be called as /home/username. And this can be anything else according to system administrator's setting. Now let us try this on system. Here we have logged in as Priyanshu user. This is our home directory. We can check this using pwd command. /home/Priyanshu is our home directory. Now let us see the directory contents. We can check the directory contents using ls command, which will list the directory contents. As we can see, these are all the standard files and directories that are created when the user is created. Now let's look at some basic commands for working around this file system structure. We will be seeing these Linux directory related commands in details with all its important option. Mkdir command, it creates the single or multiple directory, if they do not already exist. Cd command is used for changing directories, that is moving from one directory to another. ls command is for listing information about the files in the current directory by default. It generally sorts entries alphabetically if no option is given. mv command is to rename source to destination, or move source or sources to directory. Rmdir command removes the directory or directories if they are empty. Let us start with mkdir command. Mkdir command is used to create a new directory. Its syntax is mkdir, followed by any option if we want, and then the directory name. At least one name, that is the name of the new directory to be created, should be given to mkdir. For example, mkdir test. This will create test directory in current directory. We can create multiple directory at a time using this command as follows. Mkdir, directory 1, directory 2, directory 3, and so on. Now let us run these commands and check them. Here, we are in our home directory, which is /home/Priyanshu. Here we will create our directory using mkdir command. So, it will be mkdir dir. By using ls command we can check that this directory is created or not. ls, enter. We can see our directory is created as dir. Likewise, we can use this command to create multiple directories at a time. Let's try this. Mkdir, d1, d2, d3. This command should create 3 directories. Let's check this. ls, enter. Here we can see 3 directories, d1, d2 and d3 are created. This is how we can use mkdir command to create a single or multiple directories. Mkdir command does not have much options to be set. One of the important option is option P. When mkdir command is given with option P, it will create parent directories as well. That is, we can create multiple directories in a path. Let's try this option. Let us create our own directory tree with this command. For example, mkdir -p /test /dir1 /dir11 space /test /dir2 /dir22 space /test /dir3 /dir33 enter. Here we have created a parent directory test, and our home directory, which is represented as // which in turn has subdirectories, dir1 with its subdirectory, dir2 with its subdirectory, and dir3 with its subdirectory. Now let's run ls command to check this. We can see here directory test is created. Let's get into this directory using cd command. Cd test enter. Here if we run ls command we can see that it contains 3 directories: dir1, dir2, and dir3. To check the complete directory tree of test we have a program called as tree. Here we can see the complete directory structure. This tree structure is under test directory, which contains these subdirectories. Tree is a recursive directory listing program that produces a depth-indented listing of files, output to terminal. With no arguments, tree lists the files in the current directory. When directory arguments are given, tree lists all the files, or directories, found in the given directories each in turn. Upon completion of listing all files or directories found, tree returns the total number of files or directories listed. If tree command is not found in your system, then we can use the following commands to install it in the system. System considered here is Ubuntu 16. Sudo apt-get update, followed by sudo apt-get install tree -y. Coming up next is cd command and its various options. Do subscribe to my channel for the updates. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click like button. Bye for now.